Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Happy New Year to all our viewers. Welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. Well, if you remember, we did a video last week on hits and misses of 2021 on various sectors which I have discussed in the last year. So some approximately around 18 videos, sectoral videos which I have done in the last year. And in case you have missed that video, go to our archive, check that video. The best last year video was the best sector for 2021, which I have indicated the metals, and it was up about 90% at one point of time, and the end ended around 70% higher in the last year. And if you look at 2021 was an amazing year as Nifty gains around 24%. It was largely led by IT and the metals, which were leading into the sectorial indices. Now, as you have seen the title, the best sector for 2022. Well, in this video, I'll be discussing two sectors where I think 2022 we can be fruitful to these two sectors. The first is realty and second is infra. So let's look at charts why I am bullish on the realty and infra. So first let's look at the realty sector over here. Now if you look at the realty sector, this chart I have discussed in previous videos as well. It has taken 148 nearly a decade of range before breaking out or a consolidation. So a decade consolidation, and if you remember 2007 was we have seen the mortgage bubble in 2007 2008 in the US, and since then real estate prices have been stagnant. If I just look at the chart over here, as per the Wyckoff theory, it has just entered into the phase D. The breakout has happened. We might see a retest, a dip, and every dip into the realty space, I think it's a huge opportunity to look for a 1 year perspective on an investment. So realty is the one where I think could be a huge outperformer in the 2022. And this is the monthly chart. So look at the consolidation, a 10 years of consolidation, and then a breakout, which is very crucial, and not once or twice. For last 3-4 months, we are witnessing on month basis that the prices are closing above the range breakout, which is a sign of strength or convincing that it has been holding on to that period. And even if you look at the previous breakout which happened in somewhere around 2017-18, only once it closed above higher and then it came back down, but this time for a quarter it has been holding on to these closes. So I believe realty is very much stronger into the sector. And second is the infra. Again, now if you look at infra, 148 months of consolidation, and now prices trading about those. And again, this is again a monthly chart over here. Now, as I said, month on month closing above the breakout is very a strong sign of the bullish strength, and we are witnessing month on month closing higher above the breakout. Plus, if you look at the RSI on the lower panel, since 2013-14, this is the first time where it has crossed the higher levels. Again, 8-9 years of consolidation breakout on RSI indicates that the strength of the trend is very strong. So I believe these two sectors should be buying on dip every time. If you see the markets are consolidating on the lower end, try to grab these two sectors. And I believe 2022 again it might see a huge upside in next 1 year, or probably 2022 we might see by end of 2022. I am expecting this sector to be a strong outperformer into the sectorial space. So signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.